I'm going to see if I can catch a sunset, so fingers crossed. Okay, last night's video on the way down here was a bit underexposed, and that's because I messed around with the GoPro settings like an idiot. So sorry about that. But we're in Porto at the moment. I got up early this morning and I haven't left yet. That's Porto behind me. Anyway, I'm going to set off now. Going to go up the coast towards Calvi, I think. We'll see what happens when we get there. So this is Calvi. This is what it's all about, isn't it? It's a mix between kind of Swiss mountain range affair on the other side of the bay, and Italian cafe culture. Not French, but Italian. I can't think of anywhere I'd much rather be right now. A really interesting place, Calvi. Lots to discover. The winding streets here are really, really good. But the wind, when it does blow, can catch you out in those little tiny streets. Anyway, I'm going to have a spot of lunch, albeit it is 5:10. I'm going to see if I can catch a sunset. So fingers crossed.